Welcome to this comprehensive lesson on CI/CD security, an essential aspect of modern software development. In a world where rapid innovation and continuous delivery drive business success, ensuring the security of your CI/CD pipeline is more critical than ever. This lesson will guide you through the most important practices and tools for securing your pipeline, addressing common vulnerabilities, and embedding security seamlessly into your DevOps workflow. Let's dive into the key principles and techniques that will empower you to deliver fast, secure, and reliable applications in today's dynamic development environment. In this video, we will be looking at CI/CD security essentials. 1. Introduction to CI/CD security. We'll start by understanding why securing the CI/CD pipeline is crucial to protect applications from emerging threats. 2. Identifying CI/CD security threats. Next, we'll dive into the common vulnerabilities in CI/CD pipelines, such as third-party dependencies, unauthorized access, and environment breaches. 3. Securing the pipeline. We'll explore essential tools and strategies, like source composition analysis, SCA, static application security testing, SAST, access controls, and secrets management, to enhance pipeline security. 4. Embedding security in DevOps. Learn how to integrate security seamlessly into the DevOps process to maintain speed without compromising safety. 5. Automated security testing. Discover the importance of implementing automated testing tools, including SAST, DAST, and SCA, for continuous protection throughout the pipeline. 6. Embracing DevSecOps. We'll discuss the shift towards a holistic DevSecOps culture that fosters collaboration between development, operations, and security teams. Finally, we'll wrap up by emphasizing the need for a comprehensive security strategy to deliver fast, reliable, and secure software in today's rapidly evolving development landscape. Stay tuned to gain practical insights into securing your CI/CD pipeline. Introduction to CI/CD security. In the fast-evolving world of software development, continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD pipelines have become the backbone of delivering high-quality software quickly and efficiently. However, the speed and agility offered by CI/CD practices often bring heightened security risks. CI/CD security is a multi-layered approach that involves identifying, mitigating, and neutralizing potential security threats across each phase of the development pipeline, from code creation to production deployment. Every CI/CD pipeline is unique, shaped by factors like the use of feature branches, diverse environments, and different toolsets. This complexity can introduce new security challenges. Whether your CI/CD process targets a single or multiple production environments, security must be integrated at every step to ensure no weak points remain unaddressed. Identifying CI/CD security threats. While CI/CD pipelines streamline development and deployment, they can also create security vulnerabilities if not properly safeguarded. Common security risks include third-party dependencies. The use of open-source code or external libraries can introduce insecure components into the pipeline. Unauthorized access. Attackers gaining access to source code repositories or build tools can insert malicious code into applications. Dev test environment breaches. Breaches in the development or testing environments can compromise security checks, allowing vulnerabilities to slip through undetected. Insecure secrets management. Hardcoding passwords, API keys, or other sensitive data in configuration files increases the risk of exposure and potential breaches. To combat these risks, organizations need to understand the specific security threats their pipelines face and implement effective countermeasures at all stages. Securing the pipeline. Best practices to create a secure CI/CD pipeline. Teams should take a multi-layered approach that combines various tools and practices. By securing each stage of the pipeline, organizations can reduce the likelihood of breaches. Key strategies for CI/CD security include 1. Source composition analysis, SCA. SCA tools help ensure the security of third-party dependencies by scanning source code for vulnerabilities that originate from external libraries. By identifying these issues early, SCA prevents insecure code from being integrated into the production environment. 2. Static Application Security Testing, SAST. SAST tools analyze the custom code developed in-house to detect vulnerabilities like improper input validation or coding errors. Combining SCA and SAST offers a double layer of security by addressing vulnerabilities from both third-party code and internal development. 3. CI/CD Access Controls. Implementing Principal-Based Access Control, PBAC, is essential to limit access to critical parts of the CI/CD pipeline. By restricting permissions to only those who need them, organizations can minimize the risk of attackers gaining unauthorized access to sensitive tools or resources. 4. Secrets Management. Hard-coding passwords and other sensitive information into CI/CD configuration files is a major security risk. To mitigate this, secrets should be stored in secure secrets management systems that manage access to sensitive data without exposing it in plain text. 5. Registry Scanning. For teams utilizing containers, scanning container images before pushing them into registries helps identify potential vulnerabilities. Registry scanning adds an extra layer of security by detecting risks introduced during the packaging of containerized applications. 6. Runtime Security. Even after deployment, security doesn't stop. Runtime security tools continuously monitor live environments for active threats by analyzing logs, network traffic, and system behavior. By catching potential issues in production, runtime security can prevent attacks from escalating. Embedding security into the DevOps process. The rise of DevOps has revolutionized how software is delivered by making processes faster and more collaborative. However, this rapid pace can also expose security weaknesses if not carefully managed. Embedding security into every phase of the CI/CD pipeline is essential and can be done in the following ways. Infrastructure as code security. With infrastructure as code, IAC, teams define infrastructure using templates. While this boosts efficiency, IAC can also introduce security issues if misconfigured, such as open ports or weak access controls. By applying secure coding practices and running regular security scans on IAC templates, organizations can prevent misconfigurations from exposing critical infrastructure. Vulnerability Scanning. Vulnerability scanners such as Snike, Claire, and Twistlock play a crucial role in identifying weaknesses across applications, container images, and infrastructure. These tools can be integrated directly into the CI/CD pipeline to catch vulnerabilities early, ensuring that insecure code does not reach production. Security and continuous integration and deployment. Security should be a constant presence in both the integration and deployment phases of development. During continuous integration, static code analysis and secure coding practices help detect vulnerabilities in real time. In continuous deployment, tools like Kubernetes admission controllers and Docker Content Trust ensure that only secure containers and configurations are deployed to production environments. Automated security testing. To avoid bottlenecks while maintaining security, automated testing is key. Automated tools provide developers with immediate feedback, ensuring that security issues are identified early and addressed quickly. Types of automated security testing include SAST, Static Application Security Testing, scans source code for vulnerabilities before it is executed, identifying risks early in the development cycle. DAST, Dynamic Application Security Testing, simulates real-world attacks on live applications to detect vulnerabilities like injection flaws or misconfigurations. SCA, Software Composition Analysis, focuses on third-party libraries and dependencies, ensuring they do not introduce known vulnerabilities into the codebase. Embracing DevSecOps, the evolution of DevSecOps emphasizes the need for a collaborative approach to security within the DevOps process. By making security everyone's responsibility, organizations can proactively address risks without sacrificing agility. DevSecOps bridges the gap between development, operations, and security, ensuring that security becomes an integral part of the pipeline rather than an afterthought. With the right combination of tools and practices, including vulnerability scanning, access controls, secrets management, and automated testing, teams can deliver secure software at the speed demanded by today's fast-paced development cycles. Summary: CI/CD security is a multi-layered approach that identifies and mitigates threats throughout the pipeline. Common risks include third-party dependencies, unauthorized access, and insecure secrets management. Best practices involve SCA, SAST, access controls, secrets management, and registry scanning. DevSecOps promotes a collaborative approach to security, embedding it into all stages of the CI/CD pipeline. Automated tools like SAST, DAST, and SCA are essential for continuous security without slowing development. Integrating security into DevOps ensures a balance between speed and safety, safeguarding modern applications against evolving threats. To help you reinforce what you've learned and explore more advanced lessons, please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thank you for watching.